Well, here we are.
Making pancakes.
Day
First morning
one.
out. This is Mike's pancakes with the Coors Light can as a spatula after Mike drank the Coors Light.
For breakfast.
There you go, Mike. There's your pancake sandwich.
Just like in the picture.
Yeah, we're gonna send a letter to Cabela's, and when we're done, Coors Light.
Mike.
William's doing dishes. Oh, thanks.
In there.
Whoop.
Oh.
Oops.
Close again.
Oopsie. Got a little snow last night. Our tent went down for the count. It's raining.
Tell them to take a look inside the tent.
Here, William, you want to show them the tent inside? Here you go. You take that in there. It's recording.
Okay. This is our tent. Here's just my...
You gotta hold it up so they can see what you're doing. There you go, watch what you're doing. Keep telling them what you're doing.
And we made a clothesline here, chimney, fire inside there. Jim's got the big toy cot right here. Lucky. More like a bed to me. And then here's mine. It's pretty low. It's the lowest one. Yep. And that's about it. So, bye-bye.
Now take it out and see if Mike, you can push the power button there.
Okay.
Push this button right
Bye.
here. Now take it out and see if it's turned off.
Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Is this turned off? Yeah.
No, that's still recording.
Do you know how to turn it off?
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye. I'm cold.
There goes David. Getting the privy set up. What are you doing over there? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, the new trailer. Dad's Christmas? Birthday present? Something. That sucker's real nice. There's Jim's handmade back rack / clothesline.
A week later this year.
Tell him that. Oh yeah, we're a week later this year. By George, the weather's acting like it too.
It's nice. This is what elk hunting's all about. Little dusting of snow on the ground.
Is it the profile of a chiseled man?
Here we go, day one, doing a little scouting.
Find some tracks here, Michael.
See if we can cut some tracks. Find some what?
Find some elk tracks. Show them the elk.
Here's an elk track. Probably can't really see it. Maybe you can.
Pretty exciting.
This is different than last year. Down at the bottom of that valley is our camp. We didn't have any tracks this close last year, so we're hoping that it's been cooler, which has pushed the elk down, so we don't have to climb up to the top of the mountain every day, like we did last year. There is our camp down below.
Good night, Mike.
You gonna shoot anything
Good night, Mike Bob.
tomorrow?
You better go around the room and get good night from everybody.
Oh, hey Jim. How's it going?
Bright lights. Bright lights. Ooh.
Okay, Michael. This is an essential camp job here. What are you about to do?
I'm gonna go brush my teeth
All right. And that's important. Why?
because my teeth are getting hairy.
All right. Thank you.
David, do you have anything you want to say before the final day of the hunt?
Yeah, this is my rally undergarment. Did I mention that already?
This is David's brand spanking new t-shirt.
Yes, and so I told the folks I bought it from that I would bring them a picture of me.
Did you want to give them a plug?
Oh, sure. The chick hatchery folks. So I got to get them the picture of my elk with this shirt on. So that means tomorrow's the big day. Tomorrow, Monday, it's our last day hunting.
The day the storm's gonna move in.
Yep, it's predicting storms tomorrow. Snow, rain, more the same.
Wind.
And wind. That might be new. Maybe it'll keep us a little drier.
I think it's been harsh conditions so far.
Just a little. My feet are wet, Michael. I don't like when my feet are wet.
Here's our clothes hanger. Did we? I can't tell if I'm on there. Oh yeah. Jim.
Is that brighter?
Whoa, that's a lot better.
Hi.
Jim, do you have anything you want to say?
Well, so far I had the big goose egg. But that's about to change tomorrow.
Jim fought all the junk food. Love him for
I
it.
did. I may not be a good hunter, but I'm a good provider of junk food.
Chocolate chip cookies, compliments of Sarah.
Yep.
Hey, Sarah, plug
They
there,
were
Jim.
so good. Every night, I have at least 2 cookies.
Mm-hmm. You think about Sarah
I do.
and your
I do.
family, the whole family.
Yep. We'll see him on Tuesday afternoon. Looking good.
Can't wait.
Feeling good, Lewis. Say, looking good, Billy Ray.
Who do you miss, Michael?
Oh, Kristen, of course.
Okay.
Yes. Think about her every day. It's hard to even hunt out here.
Mike, turn that on yourself.
Oh. Thinking about her.
You got your lights on.
Oh yeah. Thinking about her. Justin. Next year, you're coming out here. Dad cashed in early.
What time is it? David's not decent, so.
7:20.
Oh, you have your underpants? Oh,
We're in bed at 7:20. That's the first, isn't it?
that video just went to the old pirate movie.
We didn't eat all the sugar-coated almonds yet.
You're not gonna be. Can you even see me? The light's not shining.
I don't even know if
tomorrow.
it's on.
There is tomorrow. We're about half done though.
Yeah, baby.
How do you turn this off now?
Is it still recording?
I think so.
Let me see it. Oh yeah, that's still recording.